Hello everyone, today I will show you how to connect the wireless Bluetooth earphone. So make sure on your phone you turn off the Bluetooth first. So this is an Android phone, so you just your main screen and just slide down. So this is the Bluetooth here. Make sure you turn it off first, and then press and hold until you see the flashing red and blue light. Both of them. So when it's flashing like that, you see it not equal, right? And then you press 2 times on one ear. See, when it's flashing, that means it pair each other. If not, they're gonna connect both device. So it look like two single connection, like two device. So you only can listen only one. So you need to pair them first, and then your phone gonna see only one device connect. So you're gonna see one device but two MAC address. That means they just need one device connect. So two MAC address, that means they connect together and then send one like one signal to the phone, so you can listen to both. So only one flashing, this one connect with this one, and this one try to connect with the phone right now. So if you press that, you're gonna connect, the light flashing. So now both is good to go. See, one is flashing, that means it connect already.